HAWGOOD swing door hinges provide safe and controlled closing for large and small swing doors. After swinging briefly, the door is immediately closed again, which keeps the noise level to a minimum. The swing door hinges 4000 and 4500 are suitable for a door thickness from 19 to 30 mm and for a door weight of up to 26 kg. They can be locked at 90 degrees in both opening directions, thereby keeping the door clearance as wide as possible. HAWGOOD 4000 and 4500 swing door hinges are available with plastic or brass shoes. Depending on door weight, either the single spring or double spring version should be used. More information on all Dictator products is available at www.dictator.com.